back to the homestead today. I'm actually making some different soaps and stuff because I've had a few orders come in, but I don't want to step through the process on that yet. So I did notice that I'm actually out of my homemade mouthwash, so I figured I'd show you guys how to make that today, or how I make it. Again, it's one of those things that I'm just not going to carry in my store because it's so easy for you guys to make yourself. This is actually going to contain cinnamon, cloves, and Anise Stars. So they actually printed that backwards on my little label too. That's kind of funny. But so this one actually, so the cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that may help fight cavities, I guess is the way that you put that. Cloves have a natural eugenol. So that's like a natural antiseptic, right? Which can help with probably preventing gum diseases and stuff like that. And both of them have anti-inflammatory properties. All three of these have anti-inflammatory properties. I know clove, I actually hurt my tooth a couple months back eating popcorn because, you know, I'm that old now. Popcorn can be deadly. But I actually took the clove essential oil and put where I hit it on my toothache, numbed it right up, right? So clove is phenomenal with your mouth and mouthwashes and stuff. So all we're going to do is we're going to take 5 cinnamon sticks. And again, I try to do everything in glass jars. I mean, even when I buy my herbs and stuff, I just go ahead and put them into glass. I find it holds up better. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of clove, depending on how clovey you want it. I kind of like the clove taste, so I usually do more. And then 2 of our little Anise Stars. Oops. Nothing else that makes it pretty. That's not a full one. All right. So we've got those in there, and I've already boiled my water here. So you're going to take 2 cups of boiled water. So again, it's 2 cups of boiled water, 5 cinnamon sticks, 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of clove, and 2 of your star anise. And you're going to put them all in here together and then pour your boiling water over it. Simple, easy. And then again, I have my plastic tops, or you can use your normal metal tops. Now you're going to let this sit probably, you know, it depends on how early in the day you make it. If you get up at, you know, before the sun and you make it, by the end of the day you can strain it and put it into your container to keep in your bathroom. Since I'm making this one about midday, I'll probably drain it tomorrow. And then again, just take it, put it in a new jar, strain it, and then keep it in the bathroom. And I keep a small cup beside it because, you know, I don't want multiple mouths just drinking out of the jar. But easy way to make your own mouthwash, so you know, again, everything that's going in it. If you have littles and you're trying to teach them how to do this, you don't have to worry about there's anything in here if they happen to swallow any of it that you have to call poison control. Because again, all herbal, it's just water and herbs. It's very basic, very simple, but I thought you guys would like to see another thing that I just kind of keep around here that I make myself, that I know everything that goes into it. And it's actually pretty cool. You see it all kind of floating in there. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this one. Have a great day.